Alright, back in the shed. Today we've got Ifine Elements. Whoa, look at the size of that. It's a 30-inch tower fan. 3-speed settings with oscillation and instant cool air. That's all it says on the box. If you can see that there, it's so tall you probably get a better chance of seeing it over that side there. Okay, so there's not much to be done with that apart from getting it out of the box. So some more cardboard in my favourite place. If you haven't seen, I did a video a few days back about a Pifco little battery operated fan. If you're interested in a small fan with a little tripod on it, have a look after this video. God, size of this. How am I supposed to get it out of the box? I should have thought about this really, shouldn't I? Oh, right. The plug. Instructions. And a base. What's this? And another. So 2 pieces make the base. And that's it. In the base we've got these 2 must make the base up. Shall I look at the instructions or shall I not bother? I'm tempted to not bother, but anyway, just in case you've lost the manual. First steps to ensure is your safety. Very good, because you're messing about with. So it gives you a little low down what you got. Number 1 is the control panel. Number 2 is the main unit, 3 the base half, and 5 for the base half, 5 mains cable. Step 1, take the base part 3 and clip it into the base part 4 as shown. Ensure the mains cable is threaded through the centre of base parts 3 and 4. Carefully turn the fan upside down and support it to prevent it falling over. Finally thread the mains cable through the cord and through the mains cable outlet in the edge of the base. Okay, shall we do that? And then we'll go through the settings in a minute. So put that on there. Get rid of these, my favourite place. So what we need to do is get these 2 pieces. And I think you've got to, let's have a look, let's orientate which way that is there now. So that'll be, I'm assuming like that. So put these 2, I've got no room. Why am I making this video? Like that. So these will slot onto each other. If I get them the right way, that is. One click. 2 click. Wow, that was easy enough. So the base is running through there like it says. Let's take this off. And oh my good night. So this should, in all theories, can you, is this watching, is it? Let me see that. Sorry if you haven't got much of a view, but like that. So if I put some tension on the cord and make sure it's all lined up like so. Can you see that there? Not sure if you can actually. And that clicks in. And that's all there is to it. Now this cord will get pushed into there as a kind of a stay, and then it goes out of there, and that's it really. So let's bring it back up, and what am I to do? So anyway, I don't even think, is it actually seeing it there? Let's push this out the way for a second. So as you know, I'm in the shed and I'm running on battery power. I got a little Blue Yeti 300 watt. I don't know if it'll power this as well because it's powering everything else, but I'll give it a go, shall I? So we'll put it on. Let's have a look. On. Oh yeah, that's the thought. So how do you get it to oscillate then? It's quite quiet. Can you hear that? All right. That's not bad, look. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see this? I mean, I don't know what else to show you, how to show you the wind. And that goes all the way down. Like a windsock. And then put it on that, and it goes off. And then put it on. This is the oscillator going. If you can see that. It's, and it's oscillating now. Hey, you know, it's not bad, you know. If you've got a small room, or if you want to put it next to your bed on the floor, or just to circulate the air kind of thing, it'd be perfect. Now the next question is, where did I get it from and how much was it? Well, because of the heat wave we had this last week or so, I decided I'd buy a little fan, which worked perfectly, to be fair. I thought I'll buy a bigger fan, and did you know, they were sold out everywhere. Everyone had the same idea, buy a big fan. But I went shopping in Morrisons the other day, and these were on the shelf. So I thought, you know, an oscillating fan as well, so it's kind of, it spreads the air away around everywhere. And I thought I will get one of them. How much was it, I hear you say? Well, this fine thing was only 25 quid. £25 in Morrisons. So most people have got a Morrisons local to them. And if you want a little, it's quite quiet as well. You know what I mean? So if you want a little fan for 20, I'm going to say little fan. If you want a fan for 25 quid, minimum setup, pretty much easy. The setup was quite stable as well. And it's an oscillating fan. Plus, if you've got a Blue Yeti 300 watt like I have, it'll run all your lights. And it'll run the fan at the same time, which is ideal, isn't it? Let's be fair. So that was it. Let's turn it off. So what do you think? 25 quid. Perfect, if you ask me. Okay, till the next time. Take care. Bye-bye.
Tap the box, peel the seal. What's inside could be a steal. Bits and bobs, cool little things. Unbox a little bit of everything within a Mars. Snap the clip, tear the tape. Every package, a new escape. Tools and toys, big and small. Vinnie Mars unboxes it all with Vinnie Mars. Click to play, watch and see what surprises wait for me. gadgets, gizmos, every fine and unboxing journey, one of a kind with Vinnie Mars. From to moon to Ali, treasures unpack, all defines with clever knack. Argo's dreams and eBay gold, each unboxed thrill, a story told with Vinnie Mars. So come on down, don't miss the fun. Vinnie Mars unboxes one by one. Like, subscribe, hit that bell, join the journey, stories to tell with Vinnie Mars. So come on down, don't miss the fun. Vinnie Mars unboxes one by one. Like, subscribe, hit that bell, join the journey, stories to tell with Vinnie Mars. Catch the thrill, watch the show, what's inside? Let's all know Vinnie Mars makes every